Welcome to Safar AI Stories, your journey to better English. These stories are designed to help you improve your English skills. A Day Full of Emotions is a story that follows Mia as she experiences different feelings throughout a busy day at work and with friends. So grab a cup of coffee and let's start our story.
Mia works as a customer service representative in a busy office. Her days are usually calm, but today is different. From morning to night, Mia feels many different emotions. When she wakes up, she feels tired and a little grumpy.
I didn't sleep well last night.
She says,
Why am I always so tired on Mondays?
she drinks some coffee and tries to feel more awake. At work, her manager calls her into the office. Mia feels nervous.
Did I do something wrong?
You're doing a great job.
Mia feels relieved and happy. Later, she receives a difficult phone call from a customer. The man is angry and rude. Mia stays calm, but she feels frustrated. She tells her coworker,
I'm trying to help him, but he isn't listening.
At lunch, Mia meets her friend Sophia. Sophia looks sad.
What's wrong?
I lost my wallet this morning.
Oh no, that's terrible. You must feel really upset.
Yes, I'm very stressed.
After lunch, Mia gets a message from her brother. He passed his driving test. She feels excited and calls him right away.
I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, I was really worried, but I did it.
In the afternoon, Mia finishes a big project. Her boss says,
You were very helpful this week.
It's nice to hear that.
Her coworker Ben doesn't look so pleased. He asks,
Why didn't he say anything to me?
Don't feel disappointed. I'm sure he'll thank you later.
In the evening, Mia goes home. She feels exhausted but also satisfied. She writes in her journal,
Today I was tired, nervous, happy, frustrated, proud, and even excited. What a day.